Hello and welcome. In this video, we'd like to do a retrieval with subquery with interblock reference. And the query we want to examine is how to get customer names for customers who buy part P2. And again, we refer to this our usual database of customers, products, and customers that purchase products. And in this context, what we want is we want the names of customers that have purchased the product P2. So P2 is here in the products table. What we are looking for is in the customers products or CP table, we're looking for customers that purchased P2 and those customers are C1, C2, C3 and C4. And so the names of those customers are there in the C or the customers table. So we look up the customers table and find out their names and we output the names. So that's what we're trying to do with this query. So to get started, we go to the usual folder in SQLite3 / my data that contains our customers.db file. And I go to this box here and type cmd, and that opens up the command prompt. And here it is. And now I can go ahead and open the database using SQLite3. And we can just take a look at the schema to just verify that the tables are okay. And we have the customers table, we have the products table, and then we have the customers products table. So in this context now, what we want is we want to get hold of the customer names from the customers table. So let me get started with that. Select CNAME from customers, where now the criteria we want is that these customers should have purchased the product P2, right? So I'm going to say where P2 is in, and I'm opening a subquery, and this time I'm going to say select all the records in the CP table where the customer number corresponds to the part number of P2. Okay, so the way I say that is select PNO CP where CNO equals customers.cno. So now here's where you see that first of all we have a subquery, and then we have an interblock reference. That means we are referring to the customers table in the parent block. We are referring to that in the child or subquery block. So that's an interblock reference. So we're doing that here. And so we're saying, okay, find me all the names of the customers that satisfy the condition that they have purchased P2. And the way we say that is we're saying select all the P numbers from the CP table where the customer number equals the customer number of the customers in the parent table. And I put a semicolon and press enter. And so now you have the four names: Smith, Johnson, Williamson, Kapoor, and that's these four folks here. And we can go back to our highlighted figure, and so you can see that Smith, Johnson, Williams and Kapoor are there, whereas Chen is not there in this list. And you can verify that by looking at the people that have actually bought P2. The people that have bought P2 are C1, C2, C3 and C4, but C5 does not figure in that. So that's how you can write a query like this. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.